Good morning and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. So as you can see, I actually decided to bother and make a Vlogmas intro last night. I thought I need to stop being Scrooge. I'm not intentionally being Scrooge. I think it's just uni and all these deadlines and assessments and stuff stressing me out, and I just feel like there's no time for Christmas this year. But I've decided I need to stop and like try and force myself to be Christmassy. So last night I was up until 2:30 making a Vlogmas intro. So I hope you enjoy that. I hope it's somewhat fun. I used the same song as last year because I know it was pretty catchy and like it made me think of my Vlogmas when I listened to that song, so hopefully you enjoy it. And yeah, so sorry that the Vlogmas intro didn't go on the first vlog because I didn't know I was going to do this, but I think Vlogmas will keep me going throughout this month, even if I do miss a couple of days because of uni. I think it'll be fun. I'm going to really enjoy showing you what I get in like my glossy box advent calendar, because it's my first ever beauty advent calendar. I've wanted one for years, and just showing you the fun last festive time I'm going to be at uni. Like, this is the last time I'm going to spend Christmas living in a house with my friends. So yeah, it's really sad. I did open my glossy box this morning before I started filming, and I got this really cute little exclusive beauty sponge, and I use these all the time when I do like my foundation and concealer, so I always have like backups of them for when mine get too like grubby. So that is a massive help. Thank you very much, glossy box, for that. This morning I've actually had like a variety of things that have made me change loads of different plans, so I've been sorting that out. I've done some more on my chemistry report, so I'm feeling very good. Basically, I was supposed to be going to London tomorrow to shoot for a brand, clothing, I think it's a clothing brand. It's actually so secretive, I like barely know anything, and I can't tell you guys anything as soon as I know either until it all gets launched. But yeah, so it's gonna be like my first modeling sort of experience properly, like for a brand, which is crazy. So yeah, I'll let you guys know when that happens. It's just having to be rearranged because a location pulled out, and yeah, it's basically last minute crazy stuff, so I will talk about that more in the future. But yeah, so I'm getting my first modelling opportunity, which is amazing. And then I've also had something come through this morning that I've already completed, which I'm buzzing about. Like, I was so excited because it's like my first proper like advert for a company. So I'm not putting this on my social media, they're using it for their advertising across like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, like everything like that. So yeah, it's for a new like app that is getting released soon, and it was just really fun because it was like cringy script filming, and I love that sort of stuff, like because I was gonna be a musical theatre student like before I decided on forensic science, so I love like cringy like adverts and stuff like that. Like I was buzzing to do it, so I literally did it as soon as it got sent through this morning by my manager. So yeah, I've just been having a natter to Jamie this morning, who's my manager, and yeah, just sorting out bits and pieces, changing my plans. I've booked my train tickets to London because I am still going there for the next couple of days. It's just I now have more time, which is kind of good because me and Aiden will probably be able to spend more time together, and also we'll be able to crack on with some work because we're both super busy with uni stuff. So what's the time? Let me have a look. It's 1:15. I'm going to meet Neve at the library or something at about 2 o'clock because we're going to do some chemistry stuff together, hopefully help each other out. Right, so this Vlogmas has been an absolute fail. I didn't vlog at uni because I was stressed. Did lots of work, went to my lecture, almost fell asleep because I was so tired, came home, had a cry in bed, and I've just been doing my chemistry. So yeah, I haven't really vlogged much today because I've just been so overwhelmed with the amount of stuff that I have to do. But this is my real arse uni life, and I'm not gonna hide it. Like, I'm not gonna just sugarcoat it and be like, oh my god, Vlogmas, yay. I'm drowning in work and I want to die every second. But it's fine. I know a lot of people are going through this and much worse than what I'm going through right now, so I'm trying to pick myself up. I feel like it is good to like let out my emotions every now and again by crying. So that's what I've just done, and now I'm gonna get back to chemistry. So yeah, I was supposed to meet up with Carrie this evening, which would have definitely cheered me up, but she has been really ill, so we decided to cancel and rearrange. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to carry on doing my chemistry for the next hour or so. I have been a little bit rubbish today with vlogging because of being super busy, I thought I would share with you a little haul I've got. I picked out some bits from Nasty Gal, and I thought I would show you the little outfits I put together. Just a little tip for anyone who online shops. I used to go crazy like back in the day and just pick random items that didn't go with anything I already owned, or just didn't go with anything that I'd also ordered from the website. So from now on, when I order, I consciously make note of whether the item I'm picking out goes with something in my wardrobe, or whether I need to make like a whole new outfit altogether. And so I've got two whole new outfits from Nasty Gal. I went for some wintry vibes, some like outfits that are going to keep me a little bit warmer than my usual attire that I prefer. But yeah, so I went for this like off the shoulder black knit long sleeved jumper. It is cuffed. It is a little bit more cropped than I thought it was. I didn't even know if I thought it was cropped, I'm not sure. It's sort of like a bat wingy style sleeve, which I really love during the festive season. I'm definitely going to be pairing this with some boots, but I've got like this satin midi skirt which is gorgeous. I really love this vibe. I just never know if I can pull it off. I've dressed it down a bit more because I don't go for that like preppy vibe, you know what I mean, like a blouse and a skirt. That's just not very me. So I thought like a chunkier jumper would look quite nice laid over the top. And then this is just gorgeous. It's like a gold cheetah print polka dotty satin skirt, and then again, to make it a little bit more extra, I've gone with this like black faux crocodile leather belt, and it has like some gold chains, some gold hardware on the buckle bit, and yeah, I just think that's going to look stunning. And I'm probably going to wear this whilst I'm in London at some point over the next couple of days, as I'm going there for some events and to see my boyfriend. And then I've picked out this gorgeous, I am a sucker for suits. If you follow me on Instagram and like have seen my fashion this year, you'll know that I am obsessed with wearing like suits and blazers and stuff, and like smart wear, and then dressing it down by like popping on some trainers and like a crop or something. But I've picked out this cropped black blazer from Nasty Gal. I think it's such a cool vibe, rather than going for like a long line blazer or just like a normal size blazer like I usually do. Changes it up from like the regular fit, but it's still long sleeved. It's still very warm. It's got like padding in the shoulders, which I love because it gives that cool structure to the outfit. It's got a couple of buttons on the front here. I'm still yet to figure out what top to go underneath, whether to go black also, or maybe white to bring a bit of life to the outfit. And then I've got these gorgeous high-waisted trousers that go alongside it, and they are wide-legged. They're sort of like a bit pleated as well. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm fingers crossed hoping it fits me, but I'm sure I'll tell you over the next couple of vlogs, because I'm going to be wearing these probably whilst I'm in London. I'm meeting up with Amy. Some of you probably know her. Amy graduated from the University of Lincoln last year, and she also has a YouTube channel. Make sure you go check her out because she makes some fab content, and she's now obviously in a job and everything, so she speaks about post-grad life and like getting a job and into her internship and things over on her channel. So make sure you go check her out because she's one of my faves. I'm really excited to see her on Thursday. I'm also seeing Danny, who I haven't seen in like over a year, which is crazy. So I'm meeting up with Danny on Thursday morning, and we're going shooting, and we've also got an event, and I'm seeing my boyfriend as well, all in the in-between. So it should be a really fun couple of days. But yeah, just thought I'd show you them outfits, as I love like styling stuff. Sorry I haven't tried them on, I'm too lazy at the minute. So I thought I would quickly run through my winter skincare. It would just be a nice little thing to do, and shout out all these amazing brands that are keeping my skin looking amazing and saving my skin throughout the winter period. So at the minute I'm using the Pixi Vitamin C Juice Cleanser. I've used a variety of Pixi cleansers before, and I absolutely love them. I am like, yeah, about 2/3 of the way through this one at the minute, so I'm going to be really sad when this is over, but Pixi is amazing for skincare. And then I'm also using the Glow Tonic, as it's also one of my favourites of all time. This is a new little bottle. I've just finished my huge one, and I've got this little mini. Well, it's not even that small to be honest, but the smaller version. And then this is, by the way, the order that I got taught at the Kiehl's stand when I've visited before. So if it's wrong, please don't come for me, but I've always gone cleanser, toner, serum, oil, then moisturizers and eye creams and stuff like that last. So please don't come for me. I know there's other steps you can add, but this is the routine that works best for me. Then serum, I'm using the Dermworks Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I'm finding this is really good for my skin at the minute, to help rejuvenate it and stop dehydration. And then I've got Oils of Life by The Body Shop. This is incredible if you've got dry skin like me. It's perfect at restoring all the oils that my skin needs. Finally, I am using the Glow and Tonic Skincare Hydrating Plump Moisturizer. This feels so luxurious. It feels like my old Clinique moisturizer, which is my favorite for ages, so I'd highly recommend this if you're looking for a luxury moisturizer for a cheaper price. And then I'm using the Simple Kind to Eyes Soothing Eye Balm, because my eye bags are literally unreal because of uni. And then I use this to take off my makeup, this to take off the top layer of my makeup with water, which is the Face Halo microfiber cloth. I love this. It is incredible. Like, this side's really dirty because I was really lazy and didn't wash it last night, but they wash super easily after you've taken your makeup off. And at the end of the week I put these all in my washing machine to give them a full deep cleanse, and they're just better for the environment, more sustainable, and I just find they are really good at taking my makeup off without the abrasive effects of makeup wipes. So, and I'm just about to do it now before I head to bed. Completely forgot to share with you this letter that I actually got from Winter in the City, sorry, at the weekend. A lovely girl who watches my videos, shout out, her name is also Charlotte. She came up to me and gave me a letter. I'm not going to share exactly what was in here, but it was so kind. Like, I never expected anyone at the weekend to come up to me and say they watch my videos, let alone bring me something and take the time out of their day to have written a letter to me, which it was just so nice to like meet up people who watch my content in real life. Like, I always say this whenever I meet anyone out, I meet quite a lot of people drunk on nights out because I live in a student city essentially, and I just love chatting to people who watch my videos. It's so funny, like I forget that actual real people watch me. So yeah, it's really lovely and heartwarming when people come up to me, and especially this is like the kindest thing ever. So yeah, thank you very much, Charlotte, for giving this to me. I just wanted to shout you out because she was so lovely and it honestly made my day. But yeah, I think this is it for today's vlog. Sorry, it's been a bit of a boring one, but I hope you enjoyed my little winter skincare routine, seeing the few bits that I got and have styled together from Nasty Gal. And I will see you tomorrow when I'm in London. I cannot wait to just escape Lincoln for a little bit, even just carrying on doing my work but in a different city, in a different environment, with a different headspace, might help me get on and crack on a little bit better. So fingers crossed. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the little Vlogmas intro that I've made. I spent way too long doing it, and I will see you tomorrow for another vlog. Bye.